Today we are going to learn how to create a Google account or email account, the complete process, as well as how to delete single and entire email completely by just one click, and the complete process of deleting Google account. Let's just jump on the point. Open the browser and type google.com. This screen gonna show up. On the top right hand side, you will find sign in options. Click on that. After then, this screen comes up. On the bottom left hand side, you will find create account options. When you click on that, two options comes up for myself or to manage the business. We will go through myself options. Then after you will get a screen with the detail. So fill that up, but major people make mistakes here. What they do is after filling up all the detail, they jump on to sign in instead. And what's happened next is they end up with a sign in page. After putting password, Google will find that password is wrong. Why? Because the detail they fill up did not completely processed. So always make sure to click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, another detail page comes up. There is an options to put mobile number and alternative email address. Personally, I recommend you to fill that up. You complete that later on, but sometimes we forget to remember the password we put in. So always fill that up. Click next, then policies and agreement page show up where most people directly go through I agree. But personally, I recommend click on the more options as you can see in the screen, which will take only 20 seconds to check. After then, click on I agree. Now your Google account is ready to go. On the top right hand side, you will find many options. If I will talk about all those things, video will be too long. So just stick on to the point. Click on the Gmail. Now you are on your email account. Do next. And now I personally recommend you to select default because it's clear to see all the emails. Whereas comfortable and compact is so compact, it's hard to see the email and it's like feel unorganized. So here we are on our email box. Now I will tell you how to delete emails. First, let's see how to delete single email. Just click on the checkbox and on the top bar you can see there is a delete sign. Just click on that and your job is done. Now we'll tell you how to delete multiple and entire emails with one click, just one click. Click the checkbox on the top bar, then deselect the emails you do not want to delete. Then click on the delete sign that's in the tab bar. Now again your job is done. For entire email, delete same as multiple emails but slightly different. You have to click tab bar checkbox. You will see an options that you can see on the screen, but be careful. If you click that delete options, but now it's going to delete the email that on this page, not entire email. So you can see the text with the blue color. Click on that and now you can see there is a clear options with the blue text. Click on that. Now your entire email address is deleted. Now you have the empty email box. So let's jump on to the how to delete Google account permanently. First, on the right hand side you can see a small box, tab type. Click on that, multiple options will comes up. or by typing google.com in the browser, you can find it there as well. So then click on account. You will see a screen. You are in account setting now. Go to data and personalization. Then scroll down. You will get delete a service or view account options. To click on that, now you will have options to download your data. You can do that or directly go through delete your account. You have to enter the password, click next, check both box, then click delete the account. Here we are now. Google account is permanently deleted. So friends, if you have any issues or problems with anything, do comment. Have any better solution, I will work on that. Do comment. Thanks.